Okay, so using your email, what's the best app to use? The best app on your computer is going to be Outlook, and the way to find that is just to go to the Windows button and start typing in Outlook and click on it, and you'll get the Outlook app opening, which looks a bit like this, and your inbox will be shown in this column here. You can change the view, how you have it set up in terms of whether you want anything down the side like your calendar or your tasks as well in the same window. And at the home button you've got some obvious things here like new email or delete email, reply and forward. So these are the main things you're going to need. Now in terms of organising your inbox, you're going to get a lot of emails every day, and it's very important, and when you log on and you check your emails, that you sort through them and you file any that are important and you delete any that are not important, so you keep a nice clear inbox. If you can do that, it can be really helpful. My suggestion is to create folders. If you right click on the inbox, you can do a new folder. So you might want one for anything to do with sport. Okay, you might want another one for anything to do with French. Okay, and create all your folders down there, and then when you get emails that relate to there, then all you do is drag them into the relevant folder, okay, to file them away under there. So your main inbox is nice and clear. Delete anything that's useless, file everything else into folders, and then you've got them stored there if you need them.